President Catherine Connolly has led tributes to Holocaust survivor Tomi Reichental, who died at the age of 90. Born in Czechoslovakia, Mr. Reichental and his family were deported to Bergen-Belsen concentration camp in 1944, where more than 30 of his family members died. He moved to Ireland in 1959. President Connolly said he made an exceptional contribution to Irish society.
I was only 9-year-old, frightened, cold. It was terrifying. And of course the Alsatian dog barking and the shouts of the SS prompting us. Schnell, schnell, heraus, heraus.
In 1944, at the age of 9, Tomi Reichental and members of his family were captured by the Nazis and brought to the Bergen-Belsen concentration camp in northern Germany. The camp was liberated 5 months later, and in 1959 he moved to Ireland, dedicating his life to ensuring that future generations learned from the Holocaust.
I lost many people from my family. In fact, I lost 35 members of my family. I didn't speak about my experiences in Holocaust for over 55 years.
His life's work was acknowledged at events like the People of the Year Award in 2014, and he received a Human Rights Award from the Bar Council of Ireland 7 years ago. As people with first-hand experience of the Holocaust began to pass away, Mr. Reichental expressed concern about Holocaust denial.
In the next 10, 20 years, none of us will be left, and then the plan will be open for the deniers.
The Jewish Council of Ireland said Tomi Reichental was not only a survivor, he was a teacher, a witness and a cherished member of Irish society.
I have lived a long and full life, fallen in love, raised a family and made a contribution to Ireland, my home since 1959.
It said his lasting legacy is his contribution to Holocaust education and to the fight against anti-Semitism and racism.